Hello and welcome back to FX Street YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about mana, but before we actually get into the technicals of the stuff, I want to direct your attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. And if you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangeko with the 0 at the end. Back to mana. Things are looking pretty good, especially after the yesterday's drop that we saw here. So I have this daily demand zone marked out here. Looks better on the daily time frame. So I have this daily demand zone here, which ranges from $2.2 to $2.87. And so far, any serious drops that we've seen in the past have dipped into this level and then recuperated. That includes the December 4th crash here that we saw here, and yesterday's crash and 5th crash. And things are looking pretty good. And I've also drawn this bearish trend line, which combined with the daily demand zone indicates that the price is consolidating in here. It's getting squeezed. So eventually we're going to see a breakout, and it's going to determine where mana is going to head. For now, I have this 50 daily moving average and the 100 daily moving average present here. Price seems to be holding off of the bouncing off of the 100 daily moving average, which is got present at $2.68. And I believe we're not going to see a lot of volatility here. Maybe a pullback, something like this to this upper trend line seems likely, but it all depends upon what Bitcoin's going to do. Right now, I think Bitcoin needs to sweep or at least retest the December 4th crash. So if we do that, then I think there is a good chance Bitcoin will see some sort of uptrend. In that particular case, I'm expecting a lot of altcoins, including Decentraland or Mana, to see a bullish outlook. So from a lower time frame perspective, we could see something like this happen. I'm not sure if it's actually going to go all the way up to the trend line that we've drawn here, and it's going to retest that. But I believe something like this will happen. At least to 3.17 is what I'm expecting. So from the current position, it would be a minor 10% upswing for a mana. But if we do break out of this declining trend line, the 50 daily moving average at 3.7 will be a major hindrance to the uptrend. So the upside for manas is capped around 3.17. In a highly bullish case, we could probably see it go up to 3.35. Let me just mark that out. Yeah, we could see it go up to 3.34, 3.35. But like I mentioned, in a highly bullish case, if we do break above the bearish trend line and move beyond 3.35, then 3.47 seems to be a reasonable price where mana is going to face a lot of resistance. So when that happens, I believe that there will be time where we're probably going to move this trend line. But for now, I think the crash is done and I don't see it going any further. But if mana does produce like a daily close below the 100 daily moving average, there could be a scenario where it goes down further south, and retests this $2.2 level. And also we have to mention the gaping or the elephant in the room, which is the fair value gap present here on the daily time frame. So there is a good chance if we do break below $2.2 convincingly, it's probably going to venture lower and try to fill this gap here. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down here, but we could see at least a large portion of this fill. For now, we've already seen this much of the candle structure being undone by the downtrend that we've seen since its all-time high. So for now, to summarize the Decentraland TA, I see a 10% upswing, which could extend 10% upswing to 3.17, which could extend all the way up to 3.35, and in a highly bullish case, 3.75. And from bearish perspective, I could see it go down to 2.2, but anything below that, I see a massive drop down to $1 maybe, and 0.82. But yeah, that's it for mana. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.